Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel, Exam Buddy. Now we do the assignment of inspection and quality control in manufacturing week 1. So, let's start our assignment 1. The first question is, which of the following is controlled definition of quality given by Joseph Juran? The options are option number 1, quality of product or service is fitness of that product or service for meeting in intended use required by customer. Option B, quality is what the customer says it is. Option C, quality is conformance to specifications. Option D, the total of features and characteristics of a product or services that bear on its ability to satisfy started or implement needs of a customers. The answer is option number A. Quality of a product or services is the fitness of that product or service for meeting its intended use required by the customer. Question number 2, which of the following is an example of centralized inspection? Option A, inspecting metal for hardness. Option B, inspecting the hull of ship for cracks. Option C, construction sit inspection. Option D, inspection during part making. And the answer is option A, inspecting metals for hardness. Question number 3, which of the following inspection techniques is a non contact type? Option A, go slash no go gauge. Option B, vernier caliper. Option D, dial indicators. Option D, radiographic inspection. So the answer is option D, the radiographic inspection. Question number 4, which of the following is a destructive testing technique? Option A, dye penetrant testing. Option B, bend testing. Option C, radiography. Yeah, option D, ultrasonic testing. And the answer is option B, bend testing. Question number 5, which of the following is the correct sequence of operation for preparation of metallography specimens? Option A, selecting, mounting, polishing, etching, grinding, microscopic examination. Yeah, option B, selecting, mounting, etching, grinding, polishing, microscopic examination. Option C, selecting, mounting, grinding, polishing, etching, microscopic examination. Or option D, selecting, mounting, grinding, etching, polishing, microscopic examination. So the answer is option C, selecting, mounting, grinding, polishing, etching, or microscopic examination. Question number 6 dash is the total amount of energy which a material can absorb up to the point of fracture. Option A, resilience. Option B, toughness. Option C, tensile strength. Yeah, option D, wild strength. So the answer is option B, toughness. Question number 7, in dash the sample is dissolved and then the element of interest is prepared and its mass measured, or element of interest is volatilized and the mass loss in is measured. Option A, gravimetry analysis method. Option B, optical atomic spectrography. Option C, neutron activation analysis method. Or option D, corrosion test. So the answer is option A, gravimetry analysis method. Question number 8, what does 400 HBW 1 by 30 by 20 represent? Option E, Bernoulli hardness of 400 determined with a ball of 1 mm diameter and with a test force of 30 Newton applied for 20 seconds. Option B, Vernal hardness of 40 determined with a ball of 1 mm diameter and with a test force of 294.3 newtons applied for 20 seconds. Option C, Vernal hardness of 400 determined with a ball of 1 mm diameter and with a test force of 20 newton applied for 20 seconds. For option 4, Vernal hardness of 400 determined with a ball of 1 mm diameter and with a test force of 20 newton applied for 30 seconds. And the answer is option B, Vernal hardness of 400 determined with a ball of 1 mm diameter and with a test force of 294.3 newton applied for 20 seconds. Question number 9. What is the value of stress ratio for a fully reversed stress cycle of fatigue loading? Option A 0.5, option B 1, option C -1, या option D 2. The answer is C -1. Question number 10. Which of the following test or method is or are used to determine fiber volume fraction in composite materials? Option A, fiber pull out test. Option B, indentation test. Option C, acid digestion method. Or option D, mass spectrometer. And the answer is option C, acid digestion method. So now we submit the answer. The assignment is submitted. So if you want another assignment answers in future, so you have to do only one thing: subscribe our channel so you get the correct answer. So goodbye, have a nice day.